pinaka-basic, anong favorite color ni Tita Ipe?
For our next game, we'll be needing 6 contestants or 5. It's Love Joy Hope.
For our Love Joy Hope game, I hope you're all aware sa Kitang Batas. This is an alternative sa Hep Hep Hooray.